live in central Pennsylvania on Friday, February 5th around 10 o'clock p.m. Looks like we've got about 7 or 8 inches so far in this big nor'easter that's come our way. From what we hear on the news, the Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia area could get as much as a couple feet of snow. One thing we'd like to mention here on antiagingbydesign.com is to watch as you shovel this heavy snow. They call it heart attack snow or back breaking. You want to use your legs, not your back, and you definitely want to pace yourself. Not do too much at a time, get help. Here we have John pushing the snow with the snowblower coming at us here. Beautiful coming down. Look at that snow pour out of the snowblower. From what we can tell, it looks like we're getting snow at the rate of about 1 inch or 2 every hour. We've already had a basketball game canceled tomorrow. We were heading to watch the Lycoming Lady Warriors play a team from the Philadelphia area up in Williamsport. We're kind of worried about that team getting out of Philly since they're going to be hit with a lot of snow. And we're just waiting to hear if the game will be on Sunday or if we'll have to cancel it out even further. Pretty quiet here in the neighborhood. Our neighbors were out shoveling their snow, and now it's just John out there. I don't know if you can see that coming down. Maybe we'll get the dogs out here and let them play a little bit.
Come here.
Dogs seem to enjoy the snow. My wife does too. I guess the skiers are. But it is coming down pretty heavy. Probably 1 inch, 2 inches an hour, the way it looks. This driveway was just shoveled about 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago, and it's already accumulating more on it.